Knowing how to mix your own colors is essential for making your color palettes look cohesive, and it's also more cost-effective than purchasing a tube of paint for every color. Here's a guide to painting a color wheel from scratch. Start with the 3 primary colors: red, blue, and yellow. By mixing these in various ways, you can create all other colors. Mixing all 3 primary colors will result in a muddy brown. Secondary colors, such as purple, green, and orange, are created by combining primary colors. Red and blue make purple, blue and yellow make green, and yellow and red make orange. Tertiary colors are formed by mixing a primary color with a secondary color. These include red-orange, red-purple, blue-purple, blue-green, yellow-green, and yellow-orange. Now we have our basic color wheel. To recap, begin with primary colors. Mix these to create secondary colors, then mix a primary and a secondary color to create tertiary colors. Let's go over some basic terms to help you better understand and discuss color theory. A hue is the name of a color, like red, blue, green, yellow, and orange. Saturation describes the intensity or purity of a hue. High saturation means the color is very bright, while desaturation makes the color appear washed out or gray. Value refers to the lightness or darkness of a hue. A shade is produced by adding black to a hue, creating various shades of red by mixing red with increasing amounts of black. A tint is produced by adding white to a hue, creating different tints of red by mixing red with increasing amounts of white. A tone is created by adding gray to a hue, producing various tones of red by mixing red with increasing amounts of gray. When artists talk about color temperatures, they refer to warm color reds, oranges, and yellows, or cool color purples, blues, and greens. Opposite temperatures create visual contrast and different psychological effects. Generally, warm colors appear bright, cheerful, and happy, while cool colors seem dark, mysterious, and gloomy, although this isn't always the case and depends on how the colors are presented. The color wheel is a valuable reference when choosing an appealing color scheme. Some common color schemes include: a monochromatic color scheme uses one hue plus white, black, or gray, creating a variety of tints, tones, and shades of red. Complementary colors sit across from each other on the color wheel, such as red and green, purple and yellow, and orange and blue. These pairs create strong contrast and visual interest, but can easily overpower each other, so use them carefully. An analogous color scheme consists of 2 colors next to each other on the color wheel. A triadic color scheme involves 3 colors evenly spaced around the color wheel. A split complementary color scheme includes a base color and the 2 colors adjacent to its complementary color. A tetradic color scheme is made up of 4 colors arranged into 2 complementary pairs. A square color scheme consists of 4 complementary colors evenly spaced around the color wheel. I know this is a lot of information, and you might not remember it all right away, which is perfectly okay. I have putted the PDF of this video on description you can download for those interested. Feel free to refer to this video whenever needed. The more you use this information, the more you will remember it. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below, and I'll respond as soon as possible. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.